so you can breathe. Don't worry, I'll fix you and then I can bring you to the nearest ship that I can find, okay? So before we start, I want to give you back your belongings that I found next to you drowning. Is that yours? So you can see, right? Can you not see underwater? Weird. Can you show me how to wear it? Okay, we have to go underwater. Alright, let's go. Can you see something? Hello. It's blurry. Okay, wait, I got you. Ah, now you can see clear again. Wow, how many fingers? 2? Correct. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 5, 6, 7. Alright. You can breathe. You're holding your breath. Okay, let's go. Let's remove that. Now you don't need it anymore. Should we try you a little bit? Just here a little bit. So, you're not gonna get sick. Okay, you're dry now. The clothes were soaking. Either way, you're lucky that my sound friends didn't find you because they would just saying, what? You got one in your ears? You sure? Wait, let me see. Okay. That's a method to remove other side. Let's do the other side. I'm sorry that I didn't believe you. What were you even doing underwater? Does it feel better now? Okay, so anything that hurts or bothers you? No? Alright, since you were underwater for so long, let's check your eyes as well, okay? Look into the light. Okay. Look here. Now look here. Since everything is okay with you, you're healthy, should I call over a boat? Yes. Yeah, we have like telephone kind of stuff. I mean, sometimes people lose their phones and we find it and we make it waterproof, so we can call a ship or a boat. What was the number again? Didn't work. Hey, hello. I'm sorry. Siren girl. I have a human that drowned and almost fell in my own. Could someone pick him up? She, he, doesn't matter. It's a human. Yes. No, he's not. No, he's not hurt. No. Okay. How much? 20 pearls. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. 10 minutes. Perfect. See you then. Also want to say something. No? Okay. I also hate phone calls. But what should I do? You want them not good or a bad message? Good one. No, first bad. They said it will cost 20 pearls for them to pick you up with a ship. The good information, the good message is I have 22 pearls in my bank account. I will pay you the boat. Okay? But only if you tell example, that. Do you know what that is? It's not a fish, it's a land animal, right? It's a skeleton, I think. You don't like that? Why? What is it? What is it? A rat. Is it cute? You don't think rats are cute? I don't believe you. I think rats are cute. What? It's weird to play with a skeleton. Why? Okay. Something else. Those are pearls, but fake ones. I also found them. I think someone threw it away. I thought it's my lucky day, but when I looked at it, it's like, wait a minute. That's fake, that's plastic. But I still took it with me. Makes good noise though. You know frogs? I think that sounds like frogs. What? I didn't do anything. use it,